Throwing the red flag. I'm going to have a new appreciation next time I watch an NFL game about somebody throwing a red flag, because it really does all these things. It it provides outside input from the coaches, from the NFL office, who watches the replays, accountability. I like the lawyer approach. You've got the empowerment of your teams, and my favorite's always going to be red teaming. Red teaming is a killer app, man. If you have red teaming in your organization, I mean, or even in your personal life, a good wife, if you will, man, you're going to avoid a lot of bad decisions. And I think you said this a few months ago, Craig. I think it was Charlie Munger or Warren Buffett said, I think it was Charlie Munger said, life is pretty simple, actually. If you can just avoid making stupid mistakes. If you can just avoid doing stupid stuff, you're going to have a very successful life.
So we'll finish this. We'll finish this, and this is where people can red team themselves.
Yeah.
Social media, email,
text,
angry, angry, accusatory, derogatory, reply all. That's where you sit there and go, what am I really accomplishing if I send this